Jamaica, a jewel of the Caribbean, has long been synonymous with vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and warm hospitality. Yet when it comes to capitalizing on its tourism potential, the island nation has faltered, particularly in recent years. The past decade has witnessed a perplexing paradox: significant investment in the cruise ship industry, coupled with stagnant tourism growth. Hundreds of millions of US dollars have been poured into developing cruise ports, a move touted as a surefire way to boost visitor numbers. However, the anticipated deluge of tourists has yet to materialize, leaving Jamaica lagging behind its regional competitors, the Bahamas and the Dominican Republic. The government's misplaced faith in cruise ship tourism, a notoriously fickle and low-yield sector, has come at the expense of more sustainable and profitable avenues. While gleaming cruise ships dock at newly constructed ports, the heart of Jamaica's tourism industry, its hotels, resorts, and local businesses, have been starved of vital investment and attention. This strategic misstep has resulted in a stagnant tourism sector, failing to add a single visitor in the past 8 years, a stark contrast to the booming industries in neighboring island nations. The allure of cruise ships, it seems, has blinded policymakers to the realities of the tourism landscape, leading to a costly and ultimately fruitless pursuit. The government's misguided strategy is evident in its relentless focus on areas where it exerts minimal control. Cruise ships, while impressive in their scale, offer fleeting visits and limited economic benefit to the local communities they visit. Passengers disembark for a few hours of duty-free shopping and pre-packaged excursions, leaving behind a trail of environmental impact and minimal financial gain for Jamaica. This short-sighted approach ignores the long-term benefits of attracting visitors who stay longer, spend more, and immerse themselves in the authentic Jamaican experience. The government's fascination with cruise ships smacks of a desire for quick wins, rather than a commitment to building a sustainable and prosperous tourism industry. Instead of investing in projects that yield tangible and lasting benefits, the government has chosen to chase the mirage of cruise ship tourism. This misguided approach has left Jamaica's tourism sector adrift, desperately in need of a course correction. The time has come to acknowledge the shortcomings of the current strategy and to chart a new path towards sustainable growth and prosperity. Jamaica's tourism potential remains vast and untapped, but realizing this potential requires a shift in focus, a move away from the fleeting allure of cruise ships and towards investments that empower local communities, enhance the visitor experience, and secure a brighter future for Jamaican tourism. The allure of cruise ships is undeniable. These floating behemoths promise paradise but often fall short. Governments seek quick revenue, but the reality is different. Jamaica deserves more than to be a pit stop. Cruise tourism often fails to benefit local economies. Passengers have little room for genuine cultural immersion. Most expenditures are captured by cruise lines. Jamaica's natural beauty deserves preservation. The economic benefits are often overstated. Jobs created are low-wage and seasonal. The environmental impact is undeniable. Cruise ships generate massive waste and pollution. Jamaica's pristine beaches and reefs are too precious. Jamaica should cultivate sustainable tourism. Authentic interactions and cultural exchange are key. Prioritizing cruise ships risks a superficial Jamaica. It's time to invest in local communities and sustainable tourism. The Jamaican government's focus on small dwellings and villas over mega all-inclusive resorts is perplexing. This strategy ignores the advantages of mega resorts. Mega resorts offer significant investment, jobs, and economic stability. They provide a self-contained ecosystem, minimizing economic leakage. Strategic airline partnerships ensure a steady stream of visitors. Jamaica needs the economic benefits and stability of mega resorts. Small villas, while appealing, lack the scale of larger resorts. The current fragmented approach is not sufficient. Section 4. Bartlett's Globe-Trotting, a million miles, zero progress. Edmund Bartlett, Jamaica's Minister of Tourism, is a frequent flyer, yet the industry remains stagnant. Despite his travels, tangible results are lacking. Competitors thrive while Jamaica lags. Numerous MOUs signed, but fundamental issues persist. Short-term fixes overshadow long-term solutions. Bartlett's absences create a perception of detachment. The industry craves leadership, not photo ops. It demands vision, not empty rhetoric. Bartlett's travels symbolize misguided priorities. It's time for groundwork, not globetrotting. Jamaica needs a leader who understands local challenges, a leader willing to listen and collaborate. Until then, Bartlett's travels will ring hollow.